A lot like Christmas. Good afternoon and welcome back to my channel. Another beautiful day in my life. So today's Vlogmas day 8, you guys. I started vlogging kind of late, I'm not gonna lie. It's 1 o'clock. I had to have black coffee today. That's how bad it is. So yeah, right now I'm about to study for real estate. After I pass the quiz, then I'm gonna start crafting. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I have in mind. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. Just chilling for the rest of the day. I have to put laundry away. Listen, if anybody wants to get paid to do my laundry, fold it and put it away, hit me up. So I got this tree last night from Target, and then I still have this huge basket full of like Christmas decor, ribbon, and well, I still have to put, you know, like fill up some of the stuff in the tree, but look at the tree, it's super full. So I have to try and see what I can do. I seen like fake snow. It's kind of like a little mini Christmas town or something. But yeah, so I don't know when to put it over here, because right now this is what I have as the centerpiece here. Like I have all of the Christmas trees, and I think it'll be like out of place, or over here where you guys like kind of already had an overview of like all of the things that I have up here. But Drina and Joshua painted this, and you know I added the rhinestones and stuff like that. So that's hanging out here. Look at the tree. I'm so excited. Some of the ribbon that's in the basket, I think I want to add to the bow. I got some super pretty velvet ribbon. I'm so excited about it. I either was gonna add it to the tree because we got this cute little velvet ball here, or to the bow up there. I'm still not sure, guys. Like I'm not gonna lie, completely forgot about this basket. When I went over by the tree, I saw it and I'm like, oh my gosh, like I need to figure it out really quick and like right now. So I'm happy I saw it though, because I wanted to use these frames, and the idea was to have like a family picture in one of them, and then something cute that I print from Canva. I can show you guys kind of like the idea that I have for these. This will be used as like decor for the table. So I'll show you a quick snippet of like what I did in Thanksgiving. I'll insert that clip, and then you'll see how creative. Trina, you wanna come say hi to the vlog? You wanna come say hi to the people?
What up, fam?
Oh my gosh, she got the boots on. Say peace.
Peace.
So yeah, guys, no Christmas crafting now. I have to go prioritize and study, get a chapter or two out of the way, pass the quizzes, and then I can do Christmas crafting. And I will let you guys see what ideas I have. And I'm so excited. I'm not gonna lie, I'm super, super, super excited, because I literally thought all I was gonna do today was like study, clean, and like be bored. But no, we're gonna craft. So stay tuned. Back to the grind, guys. She's still kind of like falling asleep, but I like to study while she sleeps so I can not be as distracted. And yeah, about to do this chapter, pass this quiz, and then maybe do another chapter, and then after that I'm going to craft. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. You guys, I didn't finish crafting today. I'm gonna leave that for tomorrow. I'm beat. I'm ready to kick my feet up and just relax. So yep, that's it for Vlogmas Day 8. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already. Until next time.